Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. It is 6:40 p.m. Central Time on Saturday, November 26th, 2011. And we're looking at Intellicast here. I have the Continental Radar View turned on plus Titan Storm Tracking, which gives us a rough estimate of what's going on inside the storm here. And let me zoom it in here. Down over Mississippi right now, there's possible tornado and damaging winds. Also, just south of Little Rock, Arkansas, possible damaging winds, as well as a series of strong cells here, strong cell thunderstorms, and it's going basically from the south tip of Texas across the Gulf of Mexico through Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky, and up into Illinois and Missouri. Now I can verify we're getting strong rain here right now in St. Louis, but nothing like what it looks like down here to the south. And this is a mix of cold and hot, of course, and when that happens you get your severe outbreaks. So if you do live in Mississippi up through Tennessee, all the way over into Alabama, be safe guys, heed the warnings. Let me go ahead and turn on the National Weather Service warnings here. And here we go. They only have one real warning marked, and that's a severe thunderstorm warning for the spot where the tornado is detected. So hang in there, folks, and if you see or hear any news stories on this, let me know, but I'll put links down below so you can monitor the situation yourself. I know there are a lot of viewers down in this area. Cheers.